Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, I know y'all could see some of my shenanigans over there. It's all good. Over there. I came back from town today and I had a package on my doorstep. Well, on my porch. So it was from Diamond Art Club. Someone sent me a Diamond Art Club diamond painting. Oh my goodness. Okay, so whoever sent me that, thank you so much. I really appreciate it because oh my goodness, that is something I wanted so much. And I was gonna get it, okay, but I had to wait. It was a waiting thing, and it's fine. I was waiting. It's not a big deal. Imagine my surprise when I saw this on my doorstep, y'all. Okay, so not only did they get me a diamond painting, but they also got me this. I didn't even know. That's how long I have not looked at for diamond paintings since like probably last year. Or maybe like January, then I don't know. Anywho, I didn't even know they had this. So it's called Sparkle Putty, Rose Sparkle Putty Scented Putty for Diamond Painting. Y'all, thank y'all so much, whoever sent this and this diamond painting I'm about to show y'all. So, thank y'all, because I want to try it. I'm really curious how this is going to work. And I'll be able to try it on my new diamond painting. I'm so excited to get this diamond painting, y'all. Oh my God. So I did take it out the box, obviously, because I thought maybe they would have had a note or something. But there was no note, no nothing, just the invoice thing saying what it was and all that. But whoever got me this, please message me so I can properly thank you. Okay? Please, please, please. So, and whoever got me this, thank you so much, because y'all the best ever. Oh, love y'all so much. Oh my God. But I love y'all regardless. So just know that you don't have to give me anything at all for me to still love y'all, because I still love y'all. Y'all like my people. Y'all my family. So this is Pirates Cove, y'all. And if you have not seen it, I showed y'all, I showed this the other day during my live on Sunday. So this is Pirates Cove, and it's so pretty. And I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm so excited to see it. Let me grab something to open it with. Y'all, I can't believe y'all did this. Whoever did this is like so sweet. I really appreciate it, but y'all did not have to do that at all, by any means. I was not prepared for this at all. Y'all, the paper though sticks to me. I'm so excited. Just let me tell y'all, I'm so excited. So it comes with a toolkit, and I'm so excited to see that toolkit, because I haven't ordered a Diamond Art Club painting in quite some time. So, okay. Now, I can't get over this putty. It's sparkly and all. I love it. I love it. So, we're going to do the toolkit first. I can't believe, I just can't, I'm still stunned. It is a square diamond painting. It came with the tweezers and all the goodies, the washi tape, a green rose. I collect those. Cover minder, that's what it's called. I couldn't think of it. And of course, a 4-placer and a 7-placer. A green pen, and the baggies, and all of these with the squishy and the wax, all of the goodies. I'm gonna put that over there too. So cute. I like the little cover minder. I'm going to put that on my cover minder magnetic board that someone sent me as a gift. So thank you for that. Put these tweezers right here because I'm always using those for something or the other. Let's see. Y'all, I'm so excited. I can't believe this. I just can't. I just cannot. Oh my goodness. I just want to know who it is. Please tell me. The anticipation of knowing, not knowing. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, holy moly. So pretty. It's so big. Oh my God. Y'all, what size is this? 41 by 27. So it's 41 long by 27 wide. Or 41 inches this away. And 27 inches this away. So, there's that. I look like a flight attendant. Yo, look at this photo. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. And it's not too much confetti. So I won't be, that's the problem I'm having right now. Look at that, how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Holy moly, y'all. This is so pretty. So pretty. Y'all know I'm kitting this up, right? Of course, there's a thank you pamphlet with the QR codes in the back and the instructions on how to diamond paint and etc. Everybody knows that, so you know. There are 57 colors and 2 fairy dust diamonds, fairy dust colors in here. Oh, this is so cool. Y'all, look at all these colors. Look at all those colors. They have blacks, blues, purples, greens, burgundies. They have all sorts. Oh. Look at those blues. So pretty. The colors are so pretty. I mean, they have a lot of 310s. I'm trying to see. I'm not undoing it until I actually kit it up, which will be very, very, very soon. That's my next kit up. I was going to kit up, I need to order another container thing. I was going to kit up, I'm glad I didn't. The, one with the giraffe and stuff in the sunset. But y'all, this one's big. It's very big. And I'm going to show y'all. So like I said, if you haven't seen it, I have to stand up to show y'all though. So I'm going to start from this side. I'm trying to show y'all without. Look how pretty. Look at the drill field. It's so clear. I guess I should have put it down. It would have probably been much easier for me. But it's so cute. Look at the big hammock. Look at the hammock, y'all. It's so cute. If I could see it good. Look how cute. So long. It's so big. It's so big, y'all. It's so big. So big. And I don't want to mess it up. So look how cute. That hammock is something else. So pretty. Look at the sunset. Look at the pirate ship. The big moon. Or whatever. Yeah. Is it? Yeah. So pretty. Look at the palm trees. The lanterns, so cute. The water, the beach, so cute. Absolutely so cute. Thank you. Oh, look, I dropped the sticker. Oh. It's so big, y'all. This is the small sticker for it. Look how pretty. Absolutely love this. 100%. Oh, I just dropped all the drills on the floor. Anywho, this is so cute. It's by Menard Club. It's called Pirates Cove, and I really, really love it. Like I said, it's a 41 by 27 inch. And let's see if I can show y'all the thumbnail. Oh gosh, it's so big. I'm having technical difficulties. This is the thumbnail for it. Y'all, isn't that pretty? The colors are so pretty. I love them. I love this. Thank you very much to whomever sent me this. I really appreciate it. And please, please tell me who sent it. If y'all know, please tell me. Because I want to know. What I just realized was I did not know the sheets were perforated. Okay, I did not know that. I've been hiding under a rock, of course. But that is cool because I can feel the thickness of it. It's cool. I'm loving it. I don't have to use my washi tape to section it off. I can just peel off a square. And yes, this is absolutely perfect, Menard Club. This is perfect. What y'all did is, that is awesome. I didn't know this, y'all, till just now. Okay? I love it. Like I said, it has 57 colors and two fairy dusts. And let's see, 1, 2, 3 ABs. So that's what it has, and I'm really loving it. Thank y'all so much to whomever sent me that. Please let me know if y'all know. Please let me know. Thank you, and I appreciate it so much. Y'all didn't have to do that at all. Y'all did not have to do that. I'm thankful for y'all and grateful for y'all. Y'all don't have to send me nothing at all, but whoever did send this, I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. This really made my day. really made my day. Thank you, and till next time, y'all don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.